Here's the new LLVM backend hooked up to Qt Creator, and Cosmo's got it all debugging. So what he's just done is he's going to put a watch inside a .u file. That's just a watch inside the actual C++ code, but on the right hand side there you can see the watch and the breakpoint, I should say, in the main.u. And now when you run this, it's going to hit our internal breakpoint, but if we just skip past that, it's then going to hit our B table.
Continue.
There we go. And so now it's actually broken in the main.u. Now the main.u already has autocomplete and knows all the classes in the current project, but what's interesting now is we've got a set of watches that we've set up here. So if we step in that code, currently it's uninitialized, we can now see there's now a variable, so it can now look into the internal type and actually retrieve the string from the running engine. So this code is running live here in debug mode. And the interesting thing is if we step into some of these lines, so if we step in, because we've actually got the engine in debug mode, we can actually step into the C++ code as well. So this will allow devs to debug at two different levels. One is at the main.u level, and the other is actually at the right into the engine, so we can see how the vars are constructed and what's going on with the C code. So if you just take off that watch and leave it to run, now it just basically runs through that little sample code, boom, right to the end, and
we
good to go.
exit it because it's we call system.quit in 1 millisecond.
So the great thing about this isn't just a simple, it's a reasonably sophisticated regression test, but this is now getting to the point where we can actually step and run through much more sophisticated projects, such as, for example, the editor, which is kind of our world's biggest test case. So we'll have that ready soon. And I should say this is on Mac first, and then we'll see how we go on Windows. But the benefit of the Mac is we can use the LLDB backend.